2012 Toyota Tundra 4x4. Still got factory converters. These come with 4, 2 on each side. Then we true dualed it with a Flowmaster Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides with 4-inch rolled tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys want it, the muffler, you'll see the link in the description, or the tips. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Toyota Tundra. Go ahead. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 111. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. True dual with Super 10. And all the piping's 2 1/4. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Good. 2013 Nissan Titan V8 5.6 liter. What we got done on it. Comes already true dual from the factory. Comes with 4 catalytic converters. One here, one here, one right there, and one right there. Then it comes with 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we put a cherry bomb dual in, dual out muffler on it. Right there, and 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent, all the way back, there and there, into 4-inch double walled stainless steel tips, right there, and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler. Cherry bomb sounds like. That's what it registers. Again, it's about 107, 110 decibels. Not bad at all. You guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan. 2000 Infiniti Q45. Got something special on this one. So I got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it comes factory true dual with an H pipe. Then we remove two resonators or mid mufflers, one there and one there. And we removed the giant muffler in the back. Basically did a muffler delete and a resonator delete. Right there. And we put some 3-inch stainless steel tips on it. There it is. So it's basically true dualed all the way back with an H pipe. There you go. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. That looks clean too. Here on the inside.
Inside 2000 Q45. Very nice.
$1998 Lexus GS430. What we got on it for you guys is something special. It's true dual all the way back, straight pipe. There's the stock converters, right there and right there. Then we true dual it 2 1/4 all the way back. Keeps going and going and going. There into 4-inch roll tips. One on this side and one on this side. There it is right there. Absolutely beautiful. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Oh, much better. My ears. Woo. That's what it's supposed to sound like. You changed it completely. Another happy client. Oh, dude, this sounds sick. Let you guys hear on the inside next. Sorry for the rain, guys. '7 Lexus LS460. What we did on it for you guys today is we left everything stock converters in there and in there. Then it's got stock converters in the middle. Left the resonators on it, but we did a muffler delete, one here and one here. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute or in a second because of the internet world. Right there, right there. Everything else is stock. Lexus LS460L. Lexus LS460L. Muffler delete. There's the old muffler. Really good. That's how all Lexuses should sound. $1995 SC400, really beautiful car. Only got 93,000 miles on it. Got a nice body kit on it. Really beautiful car. Here's what we got done on it. So got two factory converters right there and there. Then it had a third converter there, and we didn't like that, so we did two high flow cats in its place. And then the customer requested a double X pipe like the Corsa systems come with, right there and right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, true dual, there and there, into 4-inch burnt tips, blue flame tips, right there and right there. Beautiful. There's the double X pipe. Came out really pretty. I like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. If you want the X pipe or the high flow cats, there'll be a link in the description. Also, hopefully for the tips if we can find them. Let you guys see it in a second. Let you guys hear it. There it is. As you guys can see, not a scratch on it. It's really clean. It's throaty. Sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. Yeah, something to start doing again. I like it. There it is from the side. Beautiful car. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus SC400.